Assalamu alaikum Tatio Bacho. As paro as Thodo Urdu Orthodox EVS, sharing our feels. After returning home from school, Ilba school pet wapas house Pangar, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. It is Zinna Fataman Yaman Said Bapan Khayalat share Uskaran Pan Jazbat. They enjoy listen to my tales Yatsan me in Bozun. The first person is my Nani, Godikos to me Nani. She is always anxious at Fikirmand Rozan to listen to me. So Bozimun, she waits for me. So Intizar Karame to return from home, to return from school Patamam. She is quite all old and often her back pain shows she is quite old, so Maria Bud, and often has back pain based Miss Kamra's door. She cannot see, so Sekamuchit or hear well, no Sekambuzit. Every day, dohe in the morning, subhui, Papa reads the newspaper. Meu Papa's para newspaper all loudly to her bed. Simpsons cannot be at bed paran. She does the rest for her work. She does the rest for her work himself. So सोचने के बकरा कायमज आराम. If someone tries to help her कहीं से तमिस मदद करुन, she gets very upset. So गसान नाखुश. Though she cannot see properly, सोचने बुझ थका के properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. मगर सो जानन के सब्जी कित कन सटें. She says so वनन these days children do not know how to cut vegetables. So जानन के कित कनन च दिन यम अजिक बच्चे यम च तम छन हेकान ये vegetable settle यम सब्जी के. The second person is my Rabi Bhaiya. Duyimos Rabi Bhaiya. She lives with me. So Mr. Rozan, I call him Rabi Bhaiya. Rabi Bhaiya manan, and he calls my parents Babi Bhaiya and Babi. So means moilis to majwana Bhaiya to moilis usmana Bhaiya to majo sumana mimi usmana Babi. I do not know Bosnzana what our relationship is, but he is very loving brother. Magasos a stored boy. She is always reading and answer my questions. So Prasad ready asan means sawal jawab din khatar. She never says so zamana I will tell you tomorrow. I will tell you later. Go on pat panas use them says abay madema.